MIra Cos'ki.
Después que Horcan Milton apasa riba parte de Florida, rescatador e voluntário nanta comisago e labor de rescate de personas que porta den peligro. Pero mester remarcar que e mascotanan também mester guardo rescatar. Nos colega de CNN, Amy Kiley, tem alguma história que seguro lo pone boiora.
Rescuers are saving pets as well as people from hurricane dangers in the southeast. In some cases, the heroes are first responders. This dog is lucky Florida troopers untied him from a fence as Hurricane Milton approached.
I don't blame you.
Animal shelters in northern states are also lending a helping paw by caring for dogs and cats who were in the path of Hurricanes Helene or Milton.
This is why we do the work we do, is because we want to help. We want to help pets. We want to help people.
I think it's just, a testament to each animal's resiliency to be able to take in change and be able to just kind of like pivot like this.
Doc, let's go.
Volunteers are getting supplies for the whole family to remote areas of North Carolina devastated from Hurricane Helene.
Pet supplies, cat food, dog food.
Sometimes the assistance goes the other way. Trained dogs help with search and rescue after disasters. And at the Emergency Operations Center in Tampa, the mayor says this cutie is boosting morale.
She's our stress reliever here.
Bulls fan.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
Ya que un par de semanas celebra Halloween na Amerika e me servisa ku por wak decoracion rond kaba, lo que seguro no por queda hopi a foto e pampuna que sa usa pa decorar. Nota nada. Hombre na Connecticut abira creativo e diseña alternativa mucho más económico. Samantha Reed tiene reportaje.
Up a driveway in Thompson, Connecticut, 28-year-old Christopher Chernacki has found a solution to his pumpkin problem.
I was sick of buying my own, decorations for the season or pumpkins that are going to rot after a couple of weeks.
Having picked up welding as a hobby turned small business, Chris has an eye for uniqueness.
I like seeing handcrafted stuff instead of the cheap items at the store that get tossed every year.
Which is why for the last 2 years when fall rolls around, his once stored collection of empty propane and helium tanks
I'm either going in the scrapyard, people are dropping them off.
are transformed into what he calls forever jack-o'-lanterns.
I drill them, I make sure that there's no residual propane left.
Chris calls his business Fat Boy Builds.
Bigger guy myself, but I like building stuff.
And he says using his time and talent for things like merging metal has really worked well for his pumpkin product.
I've made 200 or so. So I sell them at like community days downtown, craft fairs. I go to swap meets and sell them as well.
The faces are freehand.
Everybody likes a different one.
And there's all different kinds of designs that are constantly transforming.
I leave them as is for people to spray paint and color them how they want. I also do custom orders.
All of them at a reasonable price and a decoration that will last decades.
The propane tanks are $45. Depending on size, it goes up a little bit. I also have helium tanks. They start at about $20.
Chris says people are usually amazed he's taken a hazardous material, making it safe and spooktacular.
The kids blow up. Their faces blow up every time they see them.
And for him, it's fueled his creative fire.
The most enjoyment I get out of it is driving around town and seeing the actual jack-o'-lanterns on people's porches, because I know that's my work.
E nos colega Jim Robarm te mostra nos ko arte tatur caminda, for di tatu, pa un quadra de Monet que tava ta perdi pa 80 años, pa arte celestial, esta en Northern Lights.
Healing with tattoos during Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Breast cancer survivors got free tattoos at an annual event in Columbus, Ohio. The goal? Helping them find closure by taking control of their bodies after a mastectomy. The group Personal Inc., or P-Inc., links survivors with tattoo artists who donated their time and talent. Tabitha Atkins traveled from Charleston and chose a mermaid design.
There's always beauty in the depths. Sometimes you have to look a little harder, but there's always beauty.
And from body art to impressionism, the Nazis stole this Claude Monet pastel from a Jewish couple in Vienna in 1940. More than 80 years later, the FBI finally returned it to the granddaughters of the original owners this week. They live in New Orleans. Mother Nature was the artist Thursday night. She fired up the northern lights for displays across the United States, Europe, and parts of Australia. You're seeing the aurora borealis from spots in Connecticut and New Jersey. And if a penguin in New Zealand is into art, she can view it more clearly after surgery to remove a cataract from her right eye. Sea Life Kelly Charlton's aquarium says Melody has made a full recovery after 2 months. For Take a Look at This, I'm Jim Robottom.
MIra Cos'ki. MIra Cos'ki.